Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to loop a video on Instagram. So to start, we'll have to go to my Instagram account, and then here, let's click on the plus sign at the bottom. Then click on the story option. Click on the infinity sign at the left side that says boomerang. After that, just press and hold this circle icon at the center. And then after creating the video, we'll have to click on the infinity sign at the top. After clicking the infinity sign, you will be redirected to these editing tools. So you'll have three editing tools for your boomerang. The first one is to create a slow-mo effect on your video. And then the second one gives the video a duo effect. And the last one gives the video an echo effect. So that's how you create a loop video on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.